Hey everybody, so we're on day 3 of our diagram, and today I want to talk about the next line right here is again you to the insurance company, and I'm going to put in here photo app. Photo app is a really bad idea, and one of the reasons why is because they're going to send you some sort of an app that's going to let you take 3 to 5 pictures. When we take our initial photos of an estimate for a vehicle that's been damaged from a collision, normally we're taking somewhere between 30 to 40 pictures. So there's no way that you can take enough pictures at 5 pictures for the insurance company to write an accurate estimate. But they've done this on purpose too, because this is going to make this short pay even less money. So when the photo app goes to the insurance company, they're going to pay you even less money because they don't have enough pictures to see all the damage. And here's a news flash for you. You're really good at whatever they're paying you to do at your job, but you've never been trained to take photos of a damaged vehicle. We at Sharp Auto Body have had that training. And so that's why we take 30 to 40 pictures before we even disassemble the vehicle. We usually end up with somewhere between 50 to 80 photos on any specific repair. That's per repair. So there's no way with a photo app are you going to get enough information to the insurance company for them to write you an accurate first estimate. Now here's one of the things that they're really after. The insurance company knows that about 30% of the time people are going to cash out. And when you cash out, you're going to lose a bunch of money. Cashing out means that you take this initial insurance check, you cash it, and you do not fix your car. I'm going to explain why this is a bad idea tomorrow, but for today, I want you to understand that the photo app is not the way you want to go for any sort of estimate with the insurance company. You always want to go to the body shop. In this case, Sharp Auto Body. See you tomorrow with the next video.